In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the tax rate in Xero, whether you're adjusting the rates due to changes in regulations or updating your current settings. It's a straightforward process that can be done quickly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Xero website. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on your Xero dashboard. This is the place where you'll have access to all the different areas of your Xero account. Now, from here, look for the Settings option. You should find it in the main menu at the top of the page, which houses various options you can work with. Go ahead and click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, the next step is to locate and select Manual Tax Rates. This option is crucial because it allows you to view and modify your existing tax rates or add new ones if necessary. By selecting this, you'll be directed to the Manual Tax Rates page. As you scroll through this section, you will notice the various tax rates you have either already set up or that are available for you to edit. Next, click on Profile. Here's where you have the opportunity to change your tax rates. This page should display the current setup, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments. The interface is quite user-friendly, making it simple to find the specific tax rate you wish to modify. Once you identify the tax rate you need to adjust, simply click on it to bring up the editing option. Now, where it gets really hands-on is the editing process. You'll see the percentage figure here, which represents the current tax rate. If you're aiming to change this, you can click onto that percentage and edit it directly. Type in the new rate that you want to apply. It's important to double-check that you've entered the correct figure, especially since tax rates are vital to your financial reporting and compliance. Once you're satisfied with the new tax rate, all that's left to do is to hit the Save button. You can usually find this button at the bottom of the page. By clicking Save, you ensure that your changes are recorded and implemented across your account. And that's it. To recap, you've navigated from the dashboard to Settings, selected Manual Tax Rates, accessed Profile to change your desired tax rate, edited the percentage, and saved your changes. Following these steps ensures your tax rates are up to date and accurate, aligning perfectly with either organizational requirements or statutory guidelines. With these adjustments made, you'll see your financial entries reflect the new rates, helping to ensure that everything stays accurate and compliant. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes managing your tax rates in Xero a little easier.